Hey, Alex Mitch Johnson. This is the video for coordinate transformations. It's super late. That's my bad. I know it's close to the quarter being done. It's all due today. I'm actually going to give you a little bit of an extension on that, which we'll talk about in class. But to that end, instead of doing things that are like the homework, I'm just going to do the homework with you in this video, right? So make sure to work along. Still write down any questions you have, send them to me, and we can meet during office hours or talk about it during class. But let's go ahead and do this together, and hopefully that will be helpful. All right, so coordinate transformations. At this point, we have talked about translations, which is just moving things around, moving a shape either up, down, and left or right, right? And then we've also talked about reflections, which is like the mirror image. Mirror image, right? The flip. I'll also write the word flip. Okay, so let's go through. When we're talking about transformations, we'll often have this coordinate representation of what we want to happen, right? We're saying take every x and y and make it a new x and y, where the new x is y and the new y is x. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is draw these axes better. Where the arrows are is the x and y axis. And now we can go in here and say, okay, A is this point, B is this point, C is this point. A is 0 over and 1 up. B is 3 over and 4 up. And C is 4 over and 1 up. When we do the transformation, we're saying the new x is what the old y was. And the new y is what the old x is. So basically, this is just telling us to swap x and y. All right, let's do our new A is at 1, 0. So that's our new A. 4, 3, 4, 3 is our new B. And 4, 1, or 1, 4 is our new C. I'm going to connect these dots. And that's our new triangle. So we've drawn the new shape, we performed the transformations, and we've made a t-table. What is this type of transformation? It looks like we've flipped it, right? It looks like this line was this line flipped. It looked like this was this line flipped, and this was this line flipped. So we're going to say this is a reflection. I'm not going to write it in yellow because no one can read that. Reflection. And then what is the line of reflection? Turns out it's x equals y, or y equals x, right? And often we can find that because it's what the y is equal to here, right? It's often what's happening. But it's everything got flipped over this line, right? These are directly across from each other and equidistant, which is how we figure out that's their line of reflection. And we'll talk about more of that. We'll talk about that more in class. Got there. All right. Graph 2. Let's again draw in the axes. Nope. I'm going to draw in the points before we even get started. Just clean up our act. Okay. Make a t-table for triangle ABC. A is 1 over and 0 up. B is 2 over and 4 down. And C is 4 over and 2 up. Boom. Let's check out what our transformation says. Our transformation says our new x is the old x minus 2, and our new y is our old y plus 1. Okay, so let's do all the x's first. If our new x is just our old x minus 2, we say 1 minus 2 is negative 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2. right? And then I'm going to write out what this means. So new y is equal to old y plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3, and 2 plus 1 is positive 3. We're now going to graph these new points. Here, here, and here. Draw this in. New triangle. The name of this transformation, we're just moving it, basically, we're just saying move left 2 and move right, nope, up. Got there, it's early. Move up 1, right? This is a transformation, or translation. And then if this is a translation, leave this blank, so we're going to leave this blank. Boom. All right, y'all, I will post these notes on Schoology. I will message y'all that this video is up. The 2 symmetry assignments, we're going to do those in class together. So I'll post a video for those as well. But to be honest, I've already given you all of you points for all of them because we're going to do them in class. So make sure to finish this. If you have questions about the rest of the stuff, come to office hours from 1 to 3 today, right? You can come afterwards too, but 1 to 3 is concentrated double math time. Let's do it. Here's my